What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, well, I bought another go-kart. Here, why don't you take a look? This one's in pretty rough shape, but I got it for $150. So you can see the seats all ripped and the front's all rotted out. So in today's video, we're just gonna kind of assess the situation, take all the garbage out of it, and we'll see what we can do to it. All right, guys, so take a look at the go-kart. It's in rough shape, that's for sure. Looks like the engine is missing some parts. The seats are garbage. What else here? Oh yeah, on the front, it looks like they hit something with it because it's got this big old dent. And look at that. The frame is gone right there. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to like cut this off and just build a whole new front end for this thing. The steering doesn't really even turn at all unless you really push it hard. The back looks pretty decent. There's no spots where it's rusted through. There's a little bit of rust here, but it's not bad. And then obviously tires, they're completely garbage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start taking all this stuff out. Like, I don't know, is that somebody's t-shirt? Yeah, that's a t-shirt. That's disgusting. So yeah, there's a lot of garbage in this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking all this stuff out. Hey guys, check it out, look at that. There is a little dog on here. I believe this comes off of a Mack transport truck. And they bolted it onto the front of the go-kart. I'll probably honestly end up keeping it on. It looks pretty cool. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get some wire brushes and a screwdriver and start poking at all this, because if you take a look, like, let's see right there. Look at that, that's all rotten. All this whole side, back here, over here. So yeah, this whole floor area is pretty much rotten. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much actually comes out, and then we'll probably end up just cutting this off and putting a new piece of steel under here and two going up there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, start scraping that off, and then down here, I mean, this is clearly garbage. You can see there's like nothing left here. Take a look underneath. It's all broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start poking at the metal in here and see what comes off. Alright guys, so I just pulled the carburetor off because it wasn't even bolted on, so I just lifted it up. And just to show you why I want to replace the engine, look at that. That is inside the port, the intake port right there. Look at that. That's like, anyways, it's disgusting in there. This engine is not going to run without a bunch of work. Alright guys, so if you take a look in there, this engine is completely corroded. It's been sitting for a long time. We just took it out. So now we got an empty frame back here. There's nothing in here. I gotta take all these wires out as well. I'll just cut them out. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new engine in here. That will be in the, not the next video, but the one after. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at KB_KingBuilds. I'm excited for this build. I think it's gonna be fantastic. So make sure to turn on notifications so you get notified when the next video comes out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.